In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts from Google Drive. We'll use Google Contacts to bring a contact list into your address book using a CSV or vCard file. This works whether your file is saved on your computer or stored in your drive. Just make sure you can access the file when the file picker opens. Here's how to do it smoothly and avoid common mistakes along the way. First, open your browser and go to contacts.google.com. Sign into your Google account if you're not already. You'll land on the Google Contacts page where you can see your existing contacts and a menu on the left. This is where the import tool lives. Next, look for import in the left-hand menu and click it. That opens a small window that asks you to choose a file. This is the central place where you'll tell Google which contact list you want to bring in. Now click Select File. Your device's file picker will open. Choose the contact file you want to import. Google Contacts accepts two formats, CSV and vCard. CSV is a spreadsheet-style file that works well if your contacts came from a sheet or an export from another service. vCard, often with a .vcf extension, is a standard format shared by many address book apps. If your contact list lives in Google Drive, make sure you've downloaded the CSV or vCard to your computer or can access it through your file picker. For best results with CSV, include clear column headers like first name, last name, email, and phone, and avoid merged cells or extra notes in the sheet. Keep one contact per row. Once your file is selected, click Import. Google Contacts will upload the file and add those entries to your address book. You'll usually see a brief confirmation, and Google may create a label for that import so you can find the new entries easily. If you have a large list, give it a moment to finish. Keeping the tab open helps the process complete without interruption. A quick tip on data quality. If some contacts look duplicated, Google Contacts often flags those and can suggest merges automatically. Also, if names or emails didn't land in the right place, check that your CSV headers are spelled correctly and try again. Using UTF-8 encoding helps prevent odd characters in names with accents. That's it. You've successfully imported contacts using a CSV or vCard file through Google Contacts, even if the source was your Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along in real time.